My daughter had been getting carried away with the amount of games and apps she had been installing on our family laptop. As you can see, this page is actually not that bad at all. This one is just cluttered with a bunch of junk, just begging for her to pay and watch ads all the time. And that was not something that my wife and I wanted her to be doing. We had bought her a few games without ads, but she was still finding her way on the Play Store. So the first thing I wanted to do was to wipe this entire thing, get it fresh, get rid of all the crap on here. And then we were going to set up some proper parental controls so that where she's not able to install all this junk. All right, we've got the fresh tablet, and we'll go to the Play Store. And what I did based on some of the guides was I went to settings here, and first thing I did is I went to the parental controls, and for every category here I set it to the minimum or the youngest age. That way my daughter cannot install anything inappropriate or mature. Much to my displeasing though, I found that this setting here, require authentication for all purchases through Google Play for this device. It means that it has to be actually charged, and that means she can still install all the junk she's been installing without a pin. And that defeats a large purpose of what I was trying to accomplish. I wanted to prevent her from installing anything, regardless if it's free or paid. So on my computer I was looking for what the right solution is, and I found this old thread. There was some popular answers for this app called Applock, and you can use it and you can lock apps like the Play Store, and it requires a password to unlock that app. So I came back to the tablet here, and I found this highly rated Applock. There was dozens of apps called Applock, but this one has 50 million downloads, so I'm guessing this is popular need. This is going to be it, so I'm going to go ahead and install this app. I'll resume the video once this is done installing. Alright, that finished installing. Let's go ahead and give this a shot. Okay. It looks like it wants me to set up some sort of unlock pattern. Now I don't want to use the one my daughter actually knows, so I'll just use something a little different. Okay. And now looks like I can set up a lock for Google Play Store. We'll go ahead and try that. Of course I gotta permit some sort of super permissions. I'm gonna allow those permissions. Okay, so now Google Play Store is app locked. Let's go ahead and give it a shot now. Let's pretend I'm my 3-year-old daughter and I come to the Play Store to install a game, and now she's gonna have to know the code. That's a great product.